Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. RPA Trucking and Survival. If you haven't liked, comment, subscribe, do that now. So answering some questions concerning vacation and my first pay stub and all that good stuff here at JB Hunt. It went great with a combination of 3 local delivery days and 1 Southwest Regional to Albuquerque, New Mexico. I grossed $16.50, and I was able to take home, you know, after the money-sucking vampires came for me, government. I took home $1,001, but I also pay $143 in child support, so per week, so which isn't too bad. So anyway, I would have actually taken home something more like $11.43 had it not been for child support. But hey, those are my responsibilities. That's what I do. So that's how that went. It was great. So I was home every day and I was still able to gross really good money. I went through my pre-plan with a hiring manager, and I'll be having a Sunday off. I'll be geared for regionals at the beginning of the week, and then be on same day turnarounds, which pay really good, anywhere from it's like 220 to all the way to 280, going to either Fresno or Las Vegas. So realistically, per week, I'm looking at exactly what they promised me, which was between $1,000 and $1,300 a week. So that's really good. That's really good. So JB Hunt, man, I mean, you're not pressured like you are in these with the mega carriers, you know, to get loads done, and you know, you're scrounging and clawing and clamoring for time, and you're not even making the money. You know, it sucks. So for those of you just starting out, put your applications in for JB Hunt. All the information's in the description box below. You're gonna be happy that you did. I'm working, if you don't already know, if you're new to the channel, the dedicated El Super account. Okay, so I deliver to El Super stores in California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Texas isn't too common. It does happen, but it's not as common as all the rest of them. But so it is going great. Now, I had some questions concerning vacation. How does vacation work? What they do is they take your average of what you're making. Like for right now, I just started, so my average is like $14.75 an hour. But realistically, it's more than that. I mean, I just started. You know, I was getting, I got a couple of training checks, which were like, I took home, again, after child support, I took home like $400 or $500. And that was with missing like a day or two from some prior commitments that I had. I had to miss a couple of days. It's still really good, but but yeah, so I had that, and then just like, you know, a couple of weeks here solo. So first week, total success, bank, dude, bank. And my second week looks like it's gonna turn out great. I just got back from Albuquerque on Monday, and you know, here I am Thursday. So I've already had 2 local delivery days. This is my 3rd local delivery day. So it's looking good. It's looking promising. So as far as vacation, they take your average hours, like I said, 1475, and then they times that by 8, and that's what you get. So in a couple of months, if I keep going at this rate, which is not backbreaking, it's not hectic, it's cake, man. Tres leches, marble, whatever you want to call it. It's cake. If you like pie, it's apple pie. if you like apple pie. So it's good. It's good. And like I said, I was able to be home every day and still make that money, except for when I go Southwest Regional. You know, I am in a sleeper, and really going regional and not being able to come home, that's only once a week. You know, it's not like the full week I'm gone. You know, I'm gone for what, 34 hours, and then I'm back home. So it's a good deal. It's a good deal. If you're a family man out there, JB Hunt is the place for you. The information is in the description box below. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment and tell me about your experience with the carrier you're with right now, and how it's going for you. So that's how the vacation works. So in a couple of months, I have a, I don't know, you might remember my buddy Charlie Boy. We got our driver's licenses, our commercial licenses together at the same time back in September. And we're planning a Vegas trip here soon. So that's gonna be cool. So by the time that comes around, you know, the average should be something like 24 an hour or something like that. So, you know, a few days of vacation pay at that, $24 an hour for 8 hours, that's not bad. I should be able to hit that by then. So I hope that answered some of your questions, because there's been a hell of a lot of questions about vacation and you know, what my pay stub looks like, and you know, all this stuff. And if you really ask people about JB Hunt, and you ask people about night transportation, you ask people about Swift and a bunch of other companies, you know, when it came to Night and Swift and Martin and some other places, you hear a lot of negative, you hear a lot of positive. You know, it's cut right down the middle. And with JB Hunt, I saw that, you know, I was hearing a hell of a lot more good than bad. There was maybe only a few people that said, oh dude, it's the same anywhere you go. And when I, you know, dug a little deeper and researched, I figured out that these people were people that messed up with a good carrier that they were with, you know. They messed up, they either got fired or they had to quit. It's always a situation like that. You see, carriers like JB Hunt, very big on safety, very big on that Smith system. If you don't like being in a rush, if you like taking your time, and safety is a big concern for you and it's important for you, this is the place for you. Okay? And you know, it's really sad seeing trucks out there hauling, dude, especially in the inner cities, on these, you know, 5 freeways, on these 5, 10, 60 freeways, like, you know, within the city, flying. As soon as I'm coming back from, you know, those long highways out there, Indio and out there, you know, Flagstaff, whatever, as soon as I get back to the inner city, I'm at 55, man. 55 miles an hour, maybe a couple miles an hour over that, maybe. I keep it safe, man. And then when I'm, you know, especially doing these local deliveries, 55 is fine for me. I leave a big space cushion, you know, A-line steering, get the big picture, keep your eyes moving, leave yourself an out, make sure they see you. Always going through that in my mind, which I'll be making a video on that Smith system here pretty soon. I'll be doing that too. So anyway, I'll be coming out with some red pill content. Men and women, comparison and truth of the sexes. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. RPA Trucking and Survival, Smith System. Stay safe, guys. Take care.